Bookmarks, your web surfing sidekicks. Bookmarks are like superpowers for the internet. They save you time. Imagine having a magical tool that remembers all your favorite places on the web. That's what bookmarks do for you. No more typing long website names again and again. With bookmarks, you can avoid the hassle of remembering and typing out lengthy URLs. It's like having a shortcut to your favorite destinations. Just one click, and you are there. Bookmarks make your web experience seamless and efficient. One click, and you're instantly transported to the site you need. Switching browsers doesn't mean leaving your bookmarks behind. Whether you're moving from Chrome to Firefox or from Edge to Safari, your bookmarks can come along for the ride. Moving from Edge to Safari is easy. You don't have to worry about losing your saved sites. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. You can bring your bookmarks with you. It's like packing up your favorite books and taking them to a new home. Your bookmarks are your personal library on the web. Think of it like moving your favorite books to a new bookshelf. Just as you would carefully place your cherished books on a new shelf, you can easily transfer your bookmarks to a new browser. This guide will show you how. Follow the simple steps, and you'll have all your bookmarks in your new browser in no time. It's simpler than you think. The process is designed to be intuitive and hassle-free, so you can focus on what matters most, browsing the web. No need for any extra apps. You can transfer your bookmarks using built-in browser features. It's convenient and efficient, making your web surfing experience even better. First, let's get your bookmarks out of Edge. This process is simple and quick, so don't worry if you're not tech-savvy. Open Microsoft Edge on your Mac. Make sure you have the latest version for the best experience. See the 3 dots in the top corner? That's your menu button. Click it. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. Find Favorites in the menu that pops up. It's usually located near the top of the list. Hover your mouse over it. Another smaller menu appears. Choose Export Favorites. This will allow you to save your bookmarks as a file. A window will pop up. This is the Export Favorites dialog box. It wants to know where to save your bookmarks. You can choose any location, but let's keep it simple. Choose Desktop for easy finding. Click Save. This will ensure your bookmarks are easily accessible. That's it. Your bookmarks are now in a file on your desktop. You can now transfer this file to another browser or device. Now let's put those bookmarks in Safari. Open Safari. It has a blue compass icon. Click File at the top of your screen. In the menu, find Import From. Choose Bookmarks HTML file. Remember that file on your desktop? Find it and select it. Click Open. Safari will import your bookmarks. You will see them in a new folder named Imported. You did it. Now all your favorite websites are in Safari, but don't stop there. Let's organize them. You can make folders to keep everything neat and easy to find. For example, put all your news websites in a news folder. This way, you can quickly access the latest headlines without sifting through a cluttered bookmarks bar. Or, group recipes into a cooking folder. Imagine having all your favorite recipes just a click away, making meal planning and cooking so much easier. To create a folder, right-click on the Bookmarks menu. Select Add Bookmark Folder. It's a simple step that can save you a lot of time in the long run. Give your folder a name and start dragging and dropping your bookmarks. You can name it anything that makes sense to you, like work, travel, or hobbies. Organized bookmarks make browsing a breeze. With everything in its place, you can navigate the web more efficiently and enjoy a clutter-free browsing experience.